2021 is a really year that is impulsive, dramatic, creative, social as well. A lot of group of people will infuse together. There will be physical change, and physical change require a daily physical practice and mental practice, because the aspect of duality, trust, and conflict are really engaged, especially in January. January has that 22, and it's like about, should I, shouldn't I? What is the plan? I have a big vision, but I'm not sure. So the first thing needs to be done on a daily basis is creating a sense of clarity and harmony. Conflict starts first within. When we have an idea, the first thing that comes to mind, can we do it? Can we pull it off? Can we create it? Who's going to be there for us? All these questions coming up. And unless we actually coming up with the inherent affirmation, yes, we will go between doubt and confusion. So, twice a week, I offer a class that is infusing that ability to be neutral amidst the duality, inner doubt, or reactiveness. We have to create a space of neutrality that in it we can say, yes, we can. So I invite you to come and participate.